Local boxers will get another opportunity to showcase their skills when the inaugural staging of a new boxing series gets underway this coming Sunday. Garfield Jones reports.
Former national representative Sakima Mullings is aiming to land a knockout punch as a promoter with a new series of fight nights dubbed Spar Wars. At the launch held on Tuesday at the VIP lounge of the GW Car Park in Kingston, Mullings gave an overview behind the creation of the series, which is set to start on Sunday.
The idea behind creating it was to create a platform that allowed for regular scheduled activity. We believe that for our fighters to get to an international standard to where they're competing in the Caribbean and competing on the world stage, they have to fight regularly. So Spar Wars creates that platform where we look to come back every 6 weeks to give the fighters a platform so that they could stay busy and so they could stay active. And it's going to be regular scheduled activity that's going to improve their skill set so that they can compete on an international level. They become high performance athletes.
Although the card will feature only 5 matchups on the night, Mullings says that is deliberate.
Deliberately and intentionally, we chose to only put 5 fights on the platform so that 1, the fighters could have the platform to promote themselves. 2, so that they could get the attention that they need. 3, also it's our first time out. And we're taking small steps, and obviously we believe that the platform is there where a lot of fighters reached out to us, and we had to turn away fights to cap it at 5, so that we make sure that we work out the nuances, the glitches and the hitches that are going to be there, so that we can better serve the fighters and have a more so that we have a streamlined 8, 10 fight card, 15 fight card when those opportunities present us.
Daniel Hilton, who made his professional debut in December last year, is one of the main attractions on the card.
Well, I am hoping to show my talent as usual, show what a real boxer looks like and what a boxer should fight like. So you can expect a great performance from me on Sunday.
Amateur boxer Toriano the Medic Nicholas is excited for the opportunity to display his talent on a larger platform.
Well, right now, trust me, this platform is very awesome. It's bringing a lot of buzz, activity. It gives a chance and to showcase our talent. Everybody can see. Let's bring back the boxing. Keep everything live, now everything going. It's very good. I like it.
Mullings told patrons what to expect.
Each one of the fights are competitive. Each one of the fights are going to be exciting. Make sure you guys show up. Make sure you come out early from the opening bout to the main event. Each one of the fights are matched competitively. Each one of the guys are very prideful. Each one is coming out to represent themselves, represent their communities, represent their family, and hopefully give an opportunity to represent Jamaica.
The event is set to get underway at 7 p.m. on Sunday at the GW Car Park in Crossroads, Kingston. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.